In this video, we will be adding step material thicknesses, adding riser material thickness. We will be addressing the geometry changes the new material thicknesses will add to our drawing. We will be drawing objects with multiple points that create a closed polyline. As you can see in video 3, we drew a rudimentary single line for each individual component. In this video, we will create closed polylines to represent the components of the stairs. Let's do a code review. We have added 4 new global variables to our stair table. Initialize tread run to 0. This represents the horizontal value of the step. Initialize tread thickness and set a value of 1.125. This will represent the material thickness for the tread. Initialize thread nosing to a value of 0.75. This will be the default value for the nosing for the stair treads. Initialize the riser thickness to a value of 0.5 and this will represent the riser material thickness. Nothing is changed for draw circle. Nothing is changed for polar 2D. Let's take a look at draw step. We have implemented 3 new 2D points to construct the stair tread. As you can see, we calculate a new point in space for P1 from PT1 at 270 degrees at a distance of the tread thickness. The same logic is used to construct the other 2 points. Now let's construct object with 4 points that will result in having 4-sided that are continuous and connected or polyline. Using our line contour, we append to the line object at PT1. Constructing vectors between each of the points back to PT1 which will result in a closed polyline. Let's take a look at draw riser. Again, these changes will look very similar to draw step. We will construct points in space utilizing the polar 2D statement. Let me explain what the geometry we are trying to achieve. We must first step to the 0 degrees the amount of the nosing. These calculations produce a step run equivalent. And as you can see, the geometry measures to what we would have expected. Again, understanding the geometry we are trying to achieve makes coding much easier. We're not using the drawLine function. Let's take a look at the main function. We updated tread run with the appropriate value. We modified WPTR to reflect the tread nosing pushed back. As you can see, it is easy to hide or roll up paragraph-based comments. Nothing has changed within the while loop. This is due to the changes being performed within the two subroutines to draw the steps and risers. Let's run the gadget and see that it's working. We will first remove our previous drawing. Our work points appear to be in the locations. And the geometry matches what we developed in video 2. Any questions?